peeps? Yeah, boy, we on the road with product reviews this week. So we're going to do, again, at my favorite store, product review. What was it? Full-on brand Bratwurst. We're going to see, I've heard about them. We're going to find out if they really taste as good as people. Some people, I'm hearing some people saying they really taste like. And so what we're going to do, we're going to take this pan. We'll use a little olive oil. And we're going to take one of these. And of course, if you notice, I always like to get stuff on sale. So I must have caught this on one of my Wednesday shopping sprees. We're going to take one of these. Slide your little butt up out of here. You know what? I'm using a two-hand technique. One hand for the bratwurst. Second hand, I can put little veggies in here. Okay. No cross-contamination. Now I'm going to go ahead and let this cook. And I'm going to go ahead and wash my hands. And we'll be back. I'm not cooking a good bratwurst. You know, I've never eaten one of these. So I have no idea. My expectation is really up in the air to what I think this is really going to taste like. You know, I'm almost tempted to cut this because, and I don't think it's going to cause much harm, because I like to cut my sausages so that I know they fully cooked. And that way I can go ahead and not have to worry about any of that good stuff. And I know that they were in the sausage when it's supposed to. And I guess you guys, if you got the patience, you can keep it the way it is, but I like to cut them up. Some was bite-sized. Okay, guys. Alright, so, like I said, I've never eaten bratwurst before, so I'm not really sure what you eat with them, but I'm just going to bring some of my trusty mumbo, because you can't go wrong with mumbo no matter what. Just going to get a little bit of that, a little bit of ketchup. Okay, so let's go ahead and give this a quick taste test. Ooh, that's hot. It smells, it's interesting because it smells kind of like a weird flavored sausage. See, take a look at it. It smells, I don't know what, interesting. Okay, so let's do a quick blanket taste test with nothing on it. It tastes a lot like a sausage. It tastes almost exactly like a sausage. A little ketchup on that. That's not bad. Like I said, you never go wrong with Capital One. But eating it by itself, it tastes a lot like a sausage. Um, and this is pan fried. It tastes a lot like a sausage. It's more of a milder taste than a pork sausage, but it pretty much tastes exactly like a sausage. So, my taste, would I ever buy Bratwurst sausage again? Probably. It's not bad. It's an interesting taste of a sausage. It tastes like sausage. There's no question. If I did a double blind study, you blind me and you gave it to me and I'm probably eating sausage. So it's not bad. It doesn't have that stronger taste of the standard pork sausage that we're used to eating, but it's not bad. I mean, not at all. And you know, I can literally eat this just by myself. Probably eat this with some eggs. The problem is, oh, but do have it. Holy moly. Well, the good, bad, and the ugly. I'm going to show you nutritional value. One of these sausages is 230 calories. 230. There's 5 servings per container, so it's 230 calories. Total fat is 20 grams, which is 25% of your daily intake. Saturated fats is 7 grams, which is 34% of your total intake. So we know this is a heart clogging food. Cholesterol is 45 milligrams, which is 15%. Sodium is 500 milligrams, lots of salt. And that is 22% of your daily intake. Carbs are only 2 grams, which is 1%, so it's low in carbs. Dietary fibers, none. Total sugar, 1 gram, including 1 sugar gram added. So they added 1 gram of sugar into this, which is 2% of your daily intake. Now, one sausage is 12 grams of protein. Less than 0.6. That's 0.6. MCG, 2 of vitamin D, 0.4 milligrams of iron, 2%. Calcium, 20 milligrams, which is 0. And I guess that's probably potassium is 110 milligrams, which is 2% of your daily intake. Okay. And so that is what it is. Okay, so I'm going to pack this up. It's not bad. It really isn't bad. It's not bad at all. If I do say so myself, it's very sausage based. But if I had to rate this, probably closer to like an 8. It's good, but the calories and stuff is just, this is young people food. But it's nice. It's good. It's not bad. But very fattening, high calories. Doesn't offer enough of the essentials, especially if you're on a diet or trying to control your levels, if you know what I mean, cholesterol, all that other good stuff. But it probably wouldn't hurt you if you eat one a month. Or I wouldn't eat no more than one of these a week. There's not enough of the essentials, and you'll be too tempted to eat more of them. So my rating for this, I would give it probably an 8. Health-wise, it's closer to like a 4. Because it doesn't offer you enough benefits for anything. So next time, family, take care of yourself, live long, and you know where to find me. Take care of yourself.